Hi, this is David with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Right now our system rules are having us avoid normal system entries. You'll see there is a long normal system entry where you see the green dot and the blue bars. That would have been a loser. Our rules protect us from that. So when we're avoiding NSEs, even though this short NSE is going into the money here, right here, we're still going to avoid it, and I'm going to look to take an EET instead. EET has a maximum stop loss of 6 ticks. Usually it averages on a loser about 4 ticks. We are getting ready to signal here. And if this bar closes, we're going to try to go in. Let's go in. 37.50, we're in. My stop loss is going to be 78.50 on this, and I'm going to see if I can make 5 ticks off this trade. I'm going to tip for 4, but I'm going to go ahead and change it to 5. So let this trade cook a little bit, see what it does. Again, when we avoid the normal system entries, we like to take either EETs or just wait and set out of the market. We have another powerful strategy that when it's time to start taking NSEs again, they're very powerful trades, but rules tell us to avoid NSEs. We either avoid, or let me go ahead and put that stop loss up. Almost forgot to drag it up there. We either avoid the trades altogether or we take EETs. So you'll see on this trend I'm only risking 4 ticks. I started off with 6 ticks. I simply forgot to move my stop loss. I started talking there. I realized it halfway through that sentence and put it up there. So I've got 4 tick risk, looking to make 5 ticks profit. Some traders scalp with the EET. They go for 2 to 4 ticks. That's fine. 4 ticks is a great trade for me. I'm risking 4 ticks, 1-to-1 risk reward. I'm going to try to go ahead and get a little more off the trade, see if I can get 5 ticks off it. Now also, it's worth noting, if the next normal system entry was going to be valid, and it's not, I could actually stay in this early entry technique, trade a little longer, and try to grab up to 2 points, sometimes 2.5 points off the trade. I've done that several times. But right now the next NSE is not valid, so we're going to just stick with our 5 tick profit. Hopefully she'll jump right back up there and give it to us. Just sometimes you got to let the trade cook, let it pan out, do its thing. We got our stop loss in, so no worries on that end. Our system does have some nuances that you'll want to get used to. You know, we said we have rules that have you avoid NSEs, and we got a couple big rules that really work out that even though an NSE is a bread and butter trade of mine, there are times you don't want to trade it and you would rather trade the EETs or simply just wait until it's time to take NSEs again. See, that NSE we just signaled, it's valid, but the entry price right there, it's simply not, it's valid on a screen, I should say. Pro Indicator showed it as it doesn't know my rules. That may change in the very near future as well, but right now my rules say to avoid the NSE, so we're just going to try to get out of this EET, and it looks like we're going to be able to hit it here. Even though this NSE is looking like it's going to be a winner, we're not taking it. We're not going to extend this trade out any further than we already have. We're just going to go for 5 ticks off it. And if we don't get it really soon here, I'm going to just take 4 ticks off it and wrap it up. Nice one and done day. But I do like to grab the extra tick when I can. So we'll give it another shot here to go at the... Here we go. Let's see if we can get filled. I never did move my stop loss to even. No, I think we're going to get hit here, but I need to drag my stop loss up. But okay, we're out. Let's go ahead and wrap it up.